so that it's not that the light is on 100%, but once there's movement in the area, that a light comes on, so it helps with the lighting. And that is in response to a statement out of our DFM and so that says we need to balance the amount of light that you put on the campus, because that as well is it's against the nature of the grass, it's against the grass, it's against the grass, motion sensitive lighting, grass, it's against the nature of the grass, it's against the grass, it's against the grass, motion sensitive lighting, grass. I forget the terminology, but it's against the nature of the grass, it's against the grass, it's against the grass, motion sensitive lighting, grass, it's against the nature of the grass, it's against the grass, it's against the grass, motion sensitive lighting, grass. I forget the terminology, but it's against the nature of the grass, it's against the grass, it's against the grass, motion sensitive lighting, grass, it's against the nature of the grass, it's against the grass, it's against the grass, motion sensitive lighting, grass. I forget the terminology, but it's against the nature of the grass, it's against the grass, it's against the grass, motion sensitive lighting, grass, it's against the nature of the grass, it's against the grass, it's against the grass, motion sensitive lighting. We need to balance the amount of light that you put on the campus, because that as well is it's against the nature of the grass, I forget the terminology.